This segment is sponsored by Goettl Air Conditioning and Plumbing.
Well, this morning we're sitting down with our friends from Goettl Air Conditioning and Plumbing to talk about all of their Fiesta Specials and promotions. Henry Rodriguez is the general manager, and he is here to tell us all about them. It's nice to see you. Thanks for coming in.
Thank you for having us.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
Absolutely. Okay, so let's dig in because it is Fiesta. You love Fiesta. You guys are doing some Fiesta Specials. What do we have going on?
We are. We're actually going to be doing some $49 maintenances for AC systems and our water heaters.
Okay, that is good to know. So we're going to tell you all about that coming up in just a bit. But let's talk about why now is a good time to deal with AC maintenance.
Well, as we know, we're going into summer.
Yeah.
It gets a little hot in Texas, I think. Probably a little hotter in San Antonio. So you want to make sure your system is at peak performance. So getting them maintained is just so important right now.
Okay.
You don't ever want to be without air.
No, we do not. Yes.
Yeah.
And you guys have been in San Antonio for a long time. Everybody recognizes the name. We know the jingle, and I think that is awesome. But let's talk a little bit about where you guys are going to be the rest of Fiesta. Are you busy, or can I call you out if I need you?
Well, first off, we're going to be busy, right?
Yeah.
We're going to be. But we are going to be at the Pooch Parade down in Alamo Heights.
Okay, perfect.
So we're sponsoring that. We're also going to be at the King William Fair.
Okay.
So you can come find us. We have a booth. It'll be great. Come say hi. You know, typical San Antonio howdy.
I love that. Why do you guys get involved with different events like this?
Well, especially for the dogs. Our mascot is Sadie. So
She's
it's
so cute.
super important that we take care of her and honor her. And so that's why we do this with the dogs.
I love that. I know we've got a little stuffed Sadie right here. She is a cutie. And of course, you guys brought in the Fiesta medals. These are fun. Tell me about the Fiesta medal.
So we'll be giving those away at the King William Fair.
Okay.
And these are actually little flashlights. They're special. They're for 2025.
I love it.
And we only have 500, so very limited.
Oh, okay.
Very
Serious
limited.
business. Where do we find you? We just got to come out to King William or Pooch Parade?
Either one. Find us. Our people will have them. You'll see us with our shirts on. We'll be good to go.
Okay.
We'll hand them out.
Good deal. Let's go back to that Fiesta Special and talk a little bit more about the $49 maintenance special. What does that include?
It includes a complete indoor inspection, cleaning of the actual box.
Okay.
We'll do the outside cleaning. We'll clean the unit, take the fan out, do a complete system rejuvenation.
Yes.
And when we do that, we'll make sure the unit's running, and we'll give you a 1-year warranty on it.
Okay, fantastic. That's good to hear. How often should I be doing a maintenance like this?
At least twice a year.
Twice a year.
Once before season and once at the end of season, just to make sure the unit's running.
Good deal. Well, thank you for coming in
Thank
this
you.
morning. Look for Henry and the team out at the Pooch Parade and, of course, at the King William Fair. And call now for the special $49 AC maintenance rejuvenation. Guys, this will expire May 31st, so take advantage of this offer now from Goettl Air Conditioning and Plumbing. Give them a call at 210-734-8400 and visit them online at goettl.com/San Antonio.